We'll guide you through how to rotate text in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu opens, look for Google Chrome by typing its name into the search bar and launch Google Chrome on your computer from the search results. After the browser loads completely, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results page, click on the official Figma website to continue. Before proceeding further, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access your projects and editing tools. After signing in successfully, the Figma main page will load in your browser. To begin a new project, click the plus design button from your dashboard. A blank design canvas will open, allowing you to create and edit content. To rotate text in Figma, first select the text tool, which is represented by the letter T icon in the toolbar. Move your cursor to the location where you want the text to appear and left-click with your mouse to create a text box. Type your desired text into the field, then complete the action by clicking anywhere outside the text box. Once the text has been created, make sure it is selected so the bounding box handles become visible around it. Next, hover your cursor just outside any of the corner bounding box handles. When positioned correctly, your cursor will change into a curved double-headed arrow, indicating that the rotation tool is active. Left-click, hold, and drag your cursor in the direction you want the text to rotate. Continue dragging until the text reaches your preferred angle. Then release the mouse button to set the rotation. This method allows you to rotate text freely and visually on the canvas. Alternatively, if you need a precise rotation angle, you can enter an exact degree value manually. To do this, move to the right side of the screen and locate the Design tab within the Properties panel. Find the Rotation Property field and type your desired degree value, such as 180. After entering the value, press Enter on your keyboard. The text will immediately rotate according to the exact degree value you specified, giving you accurate control over the final orientation of your text element in the design.